How to fix the screen not responding to touches issue on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on this power button, and then from this menu tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and restarting your phone can fix small software glitches like screen not responding issue. And after restarting your device, if you are still facing the issue while using your touch screen, then open settings. Now scroll down and tap on accessibility features. Now here you will see a mistouch prevention button. So tap on this button to turn it off, and after turning off this button, it will help you to fix the touch issue. But after this, if you are still facing the issue, then if you have installed any screen protector on your screen, then remove the protector and clean the screen, and after cleaning the screen, the touch issue will be fixed. But after all these solutions, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings again. Now scroll down and here click on system and updates, and then tap on software update. Now from here update the mobile software to the latest version, and after updating the software, the touch screen issue of your Honor 90 or 90 Lite will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the screen not responding to touches issue. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.